Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to sell your Memefi tokens to USDT. So guys, Memefi just listed their tokens and this is a very good news to all Memefi users because we will be able to sell our Memefi tokens to USDT. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me go to my OKX because we used OKX to receive our tokens. Okay, so let me open my OKX account to show you guys how you can sell your Memefi tokens. Okay, so this is my OKX account right now and I'll click on asset. Okay, so I got 18,000 Memefi tokens. Okay, and I will show you guys how you can sell this Memefi tokens to USDT. Okay, so I received the tokens in my funding account. Okay, and before we can sell the tokens, we need to transfer it from the funding account to the trading account. Okay, so let me click on this funding. Okay, you can see I have $122. I got $122 from this 18,000. Okay, and I will transfer my Memefi from this funding account to the trading account. Okay, so I'll transfer from the funding to the trading. Okay, I'll select Memefi over here, then I'll click on max since I want to transfer all. So transfer is successful. Okay, and you can see the funding is now 0. Okay, so the money has been sent to the trading account. Okay, so let me open this trading. You can see I have Memefi over here. Okay, so let me show you guys how you can trade this Memefi to USDT. Okay, so first you click on this trading. Okay, you see I have Memefi over here, then you click on this Memefi. Okay, so when you click on the Memefi, you see trade over here, Memefi/USDT. Okay, so you click on that. Okay, so when you get to this place, you click on this sell. You can see my Memefi is already in the sell position. Okay, so you click on this sell. Okay, so when you click on this sell, then you swap this. Okay, you see you can swap this. Okay, so you swap this, then you click on sell Memefi, and I have successfully sold my Memefi right now to USDT. Okay, so let me go to my assets right now. You can see I have sold my Memefi to USDT over here, and I've gotten 121 USDT. Okay, so this is how you can sell your Memefi tokens to USDT. Okay, on OKX. Okay, and if this video helped you to sell your Memefi tokens, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.